Howdy and welcome to my channel today. Today I got something I've been wanting for a long time. Come in the mail. I finally bought them. Grow bags. Got 10 of them that came in yesterday. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna pot up this pepper plant. So talk about the soil a little bit too. So this right here, I already filled this one halfway up. This grow bag. And you put the, let me adjust the camera a little bit. Alright. Sure you can see now. This grow bag right here. You see the soil. This is soil I use for all my pepper plants. This is nothing but topsoil. It's just ground up bark, really. So 99%. We still got a lot of bark in it, so it drains real well. So you don't have to put in. You can put perlite, I guess, if you really wanted to. You don't really have to. I would use it as it is. Matter of fact, there ain't enough in this pot already. Only about. Still lacks about 4 inches from the top. A little bit more in here. Get this thing on up. Raised on up. Now, first time I've ever used these grow bags, so these are 7-gallon size. Put all my peppers to grow out for seeds for next year inside here. See how many we can. I probably won't overwinter them. Take up too much space considering all the other plants I got put in here. So, well, I don't know if you can really see that good inside there, how deep it is, but that's deep enough. And you got to fill it all the way to the top. So we're gonna pot up the Carolina Reaper first. One of my Reapers in here inside this thing. Get it a little bit closer. Pot it inside this Carolina Reaper. And get this thing out. I'm tearing it up, yeah. Get this in there. Now. Now, good. Now, hoping now we'll get seeds from this when you use this plant. Get seeds for next season. And I hope this thing will, I doubt I'll overwinter inside this pot. I probably won't overwinter at all. Like I said, take up too much space. But I'll give you enough. These tags right here. These tags, these aluminum tags. You can buy these online. They're hard to find. I think these. I've had these for over 20 years. Got a lot of them, but kept boxes and boxes of them. But the aluminum tag you can write on. I wrote on this one Carolina Reaper Red. So this one I'm gonna tie it and have a little wire with it on the thing. So I'm gonna tie this on to this pepper plant, or on to the bag itself. So I have it on there on this tie wrap. I just tie it on so I know what pepper's in here. Now I know what's in this bag. What kind of plants grow in here. Have this tag on the side of it. Get that just hanging down. So now the only thing to do is fertilize this thing and water it. Now I think this, it'd take a lot of them, I know. I have at least 33 variety of peppers this year, so I need at least 33 bags if I'm going to buy these. But it's still cheaper than buying 5-gallon buckets at $5 a piece from the store. So And these you have handles on it, won't break off like the handles on a bucket will. And it won't dry rot. I'm sure they'll last more than 2 seasons compared to a 5-gallon bucket that won't last hardly that long. Like this one right here, you can see how brittle this one's already is. This one is. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. You can see how broken up, how quick this thing is dry rotted in 2 years. This bucket. So they don't last very long. But anyway, this short video of potting up pepper plants. I guess that's gonna be it for this video. I could do another one, but it ain't no big deal. So, like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.